Hi friends, professional keratin treatment that you get in salons or beauty clinics can make your hair straight and shiny, and the results can last up to 6 months. Whereas the natural remedies also give you soft and silky hair, but the results can last for about 3 weeks to 1 month. Then why many people prefer natural methods? The reason is that professional keratin treatment is a chemical process that alters the hair internal structure. This can lead to damaged hair, hair breakage, brittleness, and increased hair fall. They also contain ingredients that can cause cancers in the long run. So it makes sense to use natural remedies than chemical methods. In this video, we will look at one method that can make your hair soft, silky, straight, and shiny, somewhat close to keratin treatment. First, let's take an empty saucepan. Now we need rice. Any kind of rice like jasmine rice, sona masuri, basmati, or even brown rice works very well for this. Rice is full of B vitamins and amino acids that strengthens your hair. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. Clean the rice a couple of times with fresh water. Now let's add 1 cup of water to this. Adding more water like this helps to get a soft paste of rice. Bring this to boil on a medium flame. Cover it with a lid. This allows rice to cook. Keep checking to see if the rice is fully cooked. This might take around 10 to 15 minutes until you see the rice is cooked. After around 15 minutes, see that the rice is fully cooked. Even if it cooks more, it's totally fine. Switch off the stove. This is not a perfect rice cooking, but this is how we want. We want it to be mushy and watery. Let's take fenugreek seeds. These are super rich in protein, DHT blockers, and flavonoids that strengthens hair, increases hair growth, and promotes hair thickness. In a separate pan, take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, add around 1.5 cups of water, and bring this to boil for about 5 minutes. Fenugreek seeds help a lot in promoting softer, silky, shiny hair at the same time. Flax seeds are full of omega-3, vitamin E, DHT blockers, and protein that nourishes hair and prevents hair loss. Now to this add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Boil this whole mixture on high or medium flame. Boiling on high flame or medium flame helps to open up flax seeds quickly and creates gel. Wait for the gel to form. Using a spoon, keep checking the thickness. Once you see liquid stretching like gel, that is the moment the gel is formed. See that the sticky gel dripping from spoon. Now you can turn off the stove. If you boil more, the gel becomes thick and becomes too difficult to manage. While the gel is still hot, strain it through a juice strainer. A juice strainer has large holes compared to tea strainers. We need something with large holes like a juice strainer or a colander. Separate all the seeds and just collect the gel into the same bowl that has cooked rice. Mix all that with a spoon and now wait for it to come to the room temperature. Blend this all together in a small blender jar. You can see a white smooth paste is formed. This creamy white paste helps to make your hair soft, silky, and straight, just like keratin treatment. First, wrap your head with a hot water towel for around 5 minutes. This opens up hair cuticles, which makes it easy to absorb the paste. Apply this paste to all the hair and including the hair split ends. Leave it on like that for 1 hour and wash away with lukewarm water. You can also wash away with a shampoo of your choice. That's all. This produces amazing results in making your hair soft, straight, silky, and shiny. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe, and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.